Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. So first you have to launch your YouTube application and make sure that you're using the current version of your YouTube account. So here it is. Now all you have to do here is to tap the plus icon, click create a short. Now you can take a video or upload a video from your gallery. It's okay. Now this is what it looks like, and of course it's just a short video, so YouTube Shorts will just automatically cut your video. Now our tutorial is all about how to add thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. That means how to select the part of your YouTube Shorts where you want it as a thumbnail. Thumbnails are very important in order for this video to entice people, to captivate the heart of the viewers, something like that. So always make sure that your thumbnail on YouTube is something that can captivate, that is enticing. So you just have to tap the pencil icon there, tap the pencil icon, and then you can choose or drag in which part of your YouTube shorts you want this as your YouTube thumbnail. So let's just say I think this part is captivating and enticing, so I just have to pick that one. So once you're sure about this, you just have to tap this upload short. So when people scroll and they see your thumbnail like this, pretty sure that they will click your YouTube shorts. As easy as that. Okay, upload short, and you just have to wait for a couple of minutes. And once done, you can tap this see video to see the result. And this is what it looks like. So here, that is your YouTube Shorts, and that is your YouTube Shorts thumbnail. So if you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.